If you want to learn how to auto-tag leads in your CRM based on form answers without wasting time clicking around settings, this is the tutorial for you. I've tested the most popular CRMs out there, and I'll show you the fastest way to set it up in under 3 minutes. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using, just for viewers of my channel. Let's get straight into it. First, why is auto-tagging leads based on form responses such a game changer? It allows your CRM to segment and prioritize leads automatically based on their answers. So if someone selects ready to buy on your form, your CRM can tag them as a hot lead instantly. No manual work, no guessing. Once you've signed up for the software using the exclusive free trial link in the description, head into the dashboard. Go to the form builder. Select the form you want to use or create a new one from scratch. It takes seconds. Now, for each question on your form where you want a tag to be applied, like budget, timeline, or service interest, click on that field and look for a section called Field Mapping or Automation Rules, depending on your software. From here, you can assign a tag to each answer. So for example, if someone selects 5K plus budget, you can automatically assign them the tag high budget lead. Then save the form and test it. Fill out the form as if you're a lead, pick different answers, and go check your contact profile in the CRM. You'll see the tags have been applied based on what was selected. That's it. It's live and working. If your software allows for advanced workflows or automation sequences, go a step further. You can set up automated follow-up emails or tasks based on the tag that gets assigned. So your Ready Now leads can go straight to your sales team, while researching leads get nurtured over time. And here's the cool part. This doesn't just help with organizing leads. It helps increase your close rate because your follow-up is based on intent and timing, not assumptions. If you're using a CRM that doesn't support this kind of auto-tagging, you're probably leaking qualified leads. The software we're using today does all this out of the box, no coding, no integrations needed. You can get started today with the exclusive free trial link I've dropped in the description, only available through this channel. Key takeaway. Auto-tagging leads in your CRM based on form answers isn't just a productivity hack. It's the foundation of smarter lead management and better conversions. Quick recap. Create or edit your form. Assign tags to specific answers. Test your form. Use tags in automations if available. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the exact setup I showed today, use the exclusive free trial link in the description to try out the software for free. It's the same one I've tested and recommend on this channel. Thanks for watching. Now go turn your form answers into organized, high-converting leads automatically.